Good morning again. Today is August 4, 2025. What a beautiful morning. Look at the sun. We're here at Vista Mar Resort and Residences. Look at that. It's a big place in Mactan, Cebu. It's a long way to go. So here is the view. Ay, hindi yan bundok. It's only a canopy. So ito yung lugar nila. Napakalaki. Early morning, kaya ako lang nandito. Inabangan ko lang yung pagsikat ng araw. So, look at the water. May ibon dun. Sunrise. Yan, para akong nasa Manila Bay. Pero it's a better scenario here. Kasi wala kang nakikita mga squatters sa gilid. It's nice one. So doon kami naka-room. May terrace sa labas. Pag pumasok ka, ayun na. Yan, mga canopy dito, which you can rent if you want to have coffee or tea or whatever. So ito yung room namin. Ito yung room namin. Tulog pa. So, ito na nga. Mamayang gabi, flight na namin to Manila. Kaya sinusulit na namin ang chance. Kaya I'll see you around. Pupunta ako sa pagawaan daw ng dried mango sa Lapu-Lapu, Mandawi naman. Okay? Bye!